Guten Tag. It is about 5:45. We're waiting for the flight. In about half an hour we'll be boarding. You can already see everybody getting ready for food. Mr. Low cannot wait to eat before boarding the plane. Mami-san also cannot wait before boarding the plane. And just like that, we've arrived in Japan. Ay, sorry. Woohoo! Mario welcomes you to Japan. What I like about it is that they've got a washing machine, which is quite nice. They've got a microwave. They got an ironing board. Where are we heading to, baby?
Lobster.
Oh, lovely. Mommy, you've been watching a lot of the videos. Where are you, Mommy? I can't see you.
I'm here.
So apparently it looks lobster. They serve both local lobsters as well as foreign lobsters, but they say that it's good value for money lah. Better than burger and lobster. So we'll try it out and let you know. Oh, look at these. Look at the lobster.
This is like the regular.
Yum, and that's the regular. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay.
It's good. Wow, look at that. Mushroom soup.
Yeah?
Very nice. But I like it a bit warmer though.
A bit warmer. Oh, but I cannot wait to eat this lobster. Look at that. Okay, let's try it. Oh wow. So the bun, crispy on the outside, very soft on the inside, and lobster chunks right here.
Lobster chunk.
Not lobster chunk lah, lobster chunks. Chunks.
Lobster chunk.
Lobster meat.
A lot of big pieces of it.
Okay. This is the Shortcake Company. Apparently it's got like it's like the rated top 5 shortcake in whole of Shinjuku. Wow.
Yes.
I'm gonna try cinnamon. You try my shortcake. Try the apple one. There's apple inside. I don't know if you can see it. There's fresh apples inside. Oh wow. Carrots. I still like this though. What's the best?
I think my one's better. Everybody like our one. So many nations we have always have all.
Come here. Worth it. Good morning. It is day 1 of Tokyo. Ui, Missy. Morning. Nice sausage. Wow, look, mommy. Oh. Second stop, we have just finished breakfast and now we're heading to the largest park in Shinjuku. Apparently you gotta pay to get in there. It's 500 yen each. Hello, madam.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Have a lovely day. So we're here and we're gonna walk. I think we're walking through here, yeah. And then we're gonna walk into this area here, one big round, and come back out. What are you shooting? You're shooting me?
No, not shooting.
Oh, sorry.
Just trying to take a picture of the forest.
Oh, I see. Evan's taking a picture of the forest. Look at that Japanese tea garden there. So nice. Oh. So the thing I just showed you just now is actually a place where you can stop by. It's a green tea place. They also serve lunch. But the attraction here is actually just this one, which is the warabi mochi. So for about roughly 600 yen, so that's maybe about 18-20 ringgit, you get an experience like that in this beautiful place. Cheers! Midway through, while we were walking in the park, then suddenly there's this it's almost like a rose exhibition. I'm not sure what it is. I don't think this is permanent, but there are tons of roses. Check this out. They've even got like Queen Elizabeth rose, fragrant cloud, Duff Wookie rose, and we were told that you can smell it over there. Very difficult to find out which is the Queen Elizabeth rose because it can be deceiving. First I saw this fella, I was like, oh my god, look at that. But no, it is the Granny rose. Oh yeah. Hi auntie. But this auntie rose very nice, huh? Yo. Where? Woohoo! You found Queen Elizabeth! It's in the Hall of Fame. Okay, but where is it?
The one thing behind.
Oh, okay, I see it. I see it right behind. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh no, that's all I can zoom in. That's the maximum. Stella's busy smelling every flower on earth. Next stop it is the making of Harry Potter. There's a Slytherin snake. Harry Potter's glasses, that's right. And Evan, what do you see there? Go, go. That's Hagrid.
You ready?
Yeah, we're all prepped, Evan. He's selecting all the different sections. Welcome to the Forbidden Forest. 3, 2, 1, bow. Is it bowing? One more time, bow.
3, 2, 1, bow.
It's lunchtime. We're at the Backlot Cafe.
It's almost 3.
Oh my gosh, is it? There you go. That's the menu.
Woohoo!
Butter beer, people. And these are souvenir things, right? What's that?
Butterbeer popcorn.
Wow, very nice.
Wait, I want some butterbeer.
Cheers.
Here we go. Evan's gonna take his first ever butterbeer popcorn with a Mickey handle.
So lazy we don't wash our hands. Just left tongues.
I do it the traditional way. Oishinan. Look at my food. Woohoo! We're gonna go on board the train, the Hogwarts train. Wow! And are you gonna be able to personalize that? You're gonna put your name on it. Oh, beautiful! Thank you. Welcome to Diagon Alley. get spoiled. Oh, you got him. One. Okay. Very cool. Okay, so Harry Potter done, and now for dinner we're at this place called Tonkatsu Maisen. This is at the Omote Sando. According to Stella, it's got like the lightest, most fluffy like tonkatsu you've ever tasted in your life. Okay, so according to Stella, one tip here is to always order the soup upgrade. So when you order the tonkatsu, right, the soup upgrade is this. It's an extra 140 yen. So that's roughly about 3-4 ringgit for the top up. They gave me some special applesauce. So I'm gonna just try. That's it. Wow. It's extremely light, and worth taking multiple trays here. To remember, Omote Sando is that logo which I showed you earlier on. Yeah, Tonkatsu Maisen, Aoyama. See you tomorrow.